My hair keeps getting in my way so much. So today I'm actually going to be using my Urban Decay, and this is in the color 06. Get my Sonia sponge. Okay, so next I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to come in with this right here, and this is just the Photo Focus from Wet n Wild. So now with our sponge, I'm just going to blend everything out. This right here, this is the product that I'm going to be using, and it's just a cream bronzer. And with this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to get some of the product and place it where I'm just going to contour very quick. I'm going to come with my sponge one more time, and I'm just going to blend everything out right here, just to remove the harsh lines that were created. And I'll go ahead and just remove the pieces one more time underneath of my eyes. Bronze up with the Physician Formula right here, and this is just the deep bronzer. And brush right here, and this is from Sonia. And I'm just going to bronze up very quick. Come in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect loose powder. I'm gonna underneath my eyes very quick. Coming in with my bronzer here that I love, and it's the Milani in the shade 05, and this brush as well, the Sonia brush that we used. Grab some, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face very quick with this brightening powder from Kat Von D, and it's the color golden. It just looks yellow. I love this one right here. And brush, and I'll get some product, and then I'll swipe the product underneath my eyes. Gonna remove all the powder. I'm in with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray all this that we have going on. Using is this one right here from Milani, and it's the Roasted Oral in the shade 02. So this a brush, and this brush is just from Sonia as well. I'll save the highlighter towards the end, but we are done with my face actually, so now I'm just gonna do the eyes. So you guys already know, I'm pretty sure what palette I'm gonna be using, and it's this one right here, the James Charles palette. It's the one that I'm gonna be using for my eyes. And I'm just gonna read you guys the names. Right now, it's the Mary. And I'm gonna get this brush right here. This brush has no name, but I love this brush. So it's just a brush like this that I'm gonna be using. And I'm just gonna place that in my eye very quick. I'm gonna be using this sponge right here, and I'm just gonna remove the product very quick. This one is 10% off. And on my crease very quick. This one is the color No Beans. I'm going to be using the same brush, and I'm just going to pack it on my outer corner right here. And I'm going to grab the other side, and I'm just going to place it as well. Oh, yes. The brush I'm using is this one right here, and it's the Morphe M441. And I'm just going to blend right here. I still have product in my first brush, and I'm just gonna place it right here in the inner corner. So I'm gonna get more of that product. Tilt my head a little back, and then I'm just gonna see where I'm gonna place that shadow. So it should look something like this. Normally I do add concealer if I'm going to create the halo eye, but today this is something very quick and easy. So I'm just going to get the color Boutique. I'm going to grab my Sigma brush right here, and I'm just going to put that color right here in the middle. And I'm just going to get my Smashbox spray, just very quick. I'm just gonna come in with my Morphe M441. So I already applied the eyeshadow there. So next I'm just going to come in with mascara, and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild. With my Ardell, and these are the number 252, and I'm just coming in with my duo glue. So I'm just gonna wait for my glue to just get a little bit tacky. Some of my highlighter from Morphe, the Sigma E56 brush. I'm just gonna get some of this highlighter very quick, and I'm just gonna place it here. I'm just gonna get that, and I'm just gonna place this in my brow bone very quick. So you guys, this is the final look. This is my halo eye that I've created for today. And the lip color I actually use is from Anastasia, and it's just a lip gloss, and it's in the color Kristen. Kristen is the lip gloss I use. Yeah. And of course the highlighter I use is the Morphe highlighter. And to set my face, I use the MAC setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray of all time. Yes, so this is the finished look, you guys. Let me get you guys a little bit close up. So you guys, this is the simple halo look I had for you guys today using my James Charles X Morphe palette. So if you like this tutorial, you guys, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.